Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Coda.io is a versatile platform that merges the familiarity of a document with the power of a database and app, making it an all-in-one collaborative workspace. The core philosophy is built around a flexible document that you can enhance with building blocks to create dynamic and powerful tools like project trackers, team wikis, and dashboards. The key difference from a traditional document is that the text, tables, and other elements are connected and interactive. Getting started involves exploring these fundamental building blocks, that is, the doc, pages, tables, and formulas. The doc is your main workspace, like a folder for all your related work. Inside the doc, you create pages, which are the canvas where you write, add images, and insert Coda's most powerful element, that is the table. Tables are the backbone for data and organization, similar to spreadsheets but with richer features. In Coda, every table row is essentially a mini document, and you can create different views of the same underlying data, allowing you to see your information in different formats, e.g., a list of tasks can also be viewed as a Kanban board, a calendar, or a Gantt chart without duplicating the data. To create a new table or view, simply type the slash command, i.e. /table on a blank line in your doc, or use the plus button on the left-hand side of the canvas. When prompted, choose Start Blank to create a new base table, or Connect to a table to create a view of an existing one. Views are mirrors of the base table and are key to presenting the same idea in different filtered ways. For instance, you could create a personal tasks view that only shows tasks assigned to the current user by filtering on the people column and selecting current user. Another critical concept is formulas, which are Coda's logic engine, similar to functions in a spreadsheet, but much more powerful. You use them to manipulate data in tables, power buttons, and automate tasks. The simplest way to start a formula is to type is equals to in a cell. Finally, packs are Coda's integrations that connect your doc to outside services like Slack, Google Workspace, or Jira, allowing your Coda doc to pull in external data and even take actions in those other tools. By mastering these building blocks, that is docs, pages, tables, views, formulas, and packs, you can transform your Coda document into a dynamic and a collaborative application tailored to your team's specific needs. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.